So, after talking about cheap SUVs you should avoid, let's flip the script. Because not every affordable SUV is a bad decision. Some of them are actually smart buys, reliable, practical, and they won't drain your wallet later. And if you're someone who's planning to buy an SUV soon, make sure you watch this till the end, because number one might surprise you. And hey, before we start, if you like honest car content like this, hit that subscribe button, because I post videos that can literally save you thousands of dollars. Number 8, Hyundai Tucson. Let's start with something underrated. The Hyundai Tucson is one of those SUVs that quietly does everything right. Comfortable, modern, and reliable for the price. It's not flashy, but it's dependable. And honestly, that matters more. And real quick, comment down below. Would you pick this over a Toyota or Honda? I'm curious what you guys think. Number 7, Mazda CX-5. Now, if you want something that feels a little premium, the Mazda CX-5 is a great choice. It drives better than most SUVs in this price range. Interior quality? Surprisingly high. It actually feels like you paid more than you did. And if you're enjoying this list so far, drop a like. It really helps push this video to more people who need it. Number 6, Honda HR-V Simple. Practical, reliable. That's the Honda HR-V. It's not about speed or luxury. It's about giving you a stress-free ownership experience. Great fuel economy, smart interior space. This is the kind of SUV you buy and forget about problems. Number 5, Toyota RAV4. Now this one you already know. The Toyota RAV4 is basically the definition of reliability. It might cost a bit more upfront, but long-term, it saves you money, less repairs, better resale value. And if you had to choose RAV4 or CRV, let me know in the comments. I read all of them. Number 4, Kia Sportage. This is one of the best value for money SUVs right now. The Kia Sportage looks amazing, feels modern, and comes packed with features. Kia has seriously stepped up their game, and this SUV proves it. Number 3, Subaru Forester. If safety and all-weather driving matter to you, the Subaru Forester is a solid pick. Standard AWD, great visibility, strong safety reputation. It's not flashy, but it's built for real-world use. And honestly, that's what most people actually need. Number 2, Honda CR-V. This is one of the safest choices you can make. The Honda CR-V does everything well. Comfort, space, efficiency, reliability. It's just consistent. And that consistency is what makes it so valuable. Number 1, Toyota Corolla Cross. And here's the smartest budget pick. The Toyota Corolla Cross. Affordable, efficient, and backed by Toyota reliability. It's not trying to impress you. It's designed to save you money long-term. And that's exactly what makes it number 1. Now, before you leave, let me say this. Buying a cheap SUV isn't wrong, but buying the wrong cheap SUV, that's where people lose money. So always think long-term, not just the price, but the total cost of ownership. And if this video helped you even a little, make sure you subscribe for more real car advice, like the video so more people can see it, and drop a comment with your favorite SUV from this list. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to go deeper, check out my next video, Cheap SUVs You Should Never Buy. Because trust me, that video might save you from a very expensive mistake.